How to uninstall apps on Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. So if you have any Samsung Smart TV and you just want to uninstall any apps that you have previously installed, then here's the easiest step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Well, so now to uninstall any apps, the very first thing that you have to do is just need to come to the home page of your smart TV like this. So this is the home page, and from here you just need to go all the way to the left side by pressing the side arrow button. And once you get into this one, you'll get to see the apps section. Inside the apps, you'll get to see the apps are available, so you can actually press OK from here, and this is going to show you the app interface. Now to get all the apps that are installed on your device, you just need to go all the way to the up, and you just need to select the account section right here and come to the right side, and you'll get to see the settings icon. You just need to press OK from here. This is going to show you all the app that you have installed on your Samsung TV so far. So let's go ahead and find out the app that you want to delete or uninstall. So let's say I just want to delete this application. So now to do that, select that and come down right here. You'll get to see the delete option. Go ahead and tap on delete. This is going to give you the confirmation message, so just go ahead and select the delete button from here and then press OK, and this is gonna delete or uninstall the application from the list. And this is how you actually can uninstall any apps on your Samsung Smart TV. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.